Hello everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to UDAAN Deepak YouTube channel and I am Deepak. Now I will be discussing the most important mathematics model question paper 1 in one shot. That means all the questions I will be discussing in one shot in this session. That is the objective of this discussion. So let us begin with this, and you know that this question paper what I am discussing now, it is provided by Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board, Malleshwaram, Bengaluru, and SSLC model question paper 1 2024-25 mathematics I will be discussing now. And you know that we will be having total 38 questions in this session, and total time we will get is how much? 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay, so let us begin our discussion on the solutions now. See, the first question is what there are total 8 objectives, 8 1 mark questions, 8 2 mark questions, 9 3 mark questions, 4 4 mark question, and lastly 1 5 mark question. So much lengthy the paper will be, and in just 3 hours you should able to and capable to solve the entire paper. So it takes much efforts and much dedication, much practice in order to clear and in order to score maximum marks in all the subjects, not only in maths. So in detail I will be discussing in this video in one shot all 38 questions we will study, and I want everyone, before beginning the video, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can get motivated to come up with more such initiatives of solving the question papers. Okay, so let us begin now. See, the HCF of 5 square and into 12 is 2 raised to 5 into and 2 raised to 5 into 5. So what is HCF here? See, HCF means what? Telling highest and taking the lowest. See, 5 square into 2 and 2 raised to 5 into 5. Now you see that this is common and this is also common. In 5 square and 5, which is lowest common? 5. In 2 and 2 raised to 5, which is lowest common? 2. So the right answer is what? 2 into 5. I hope you are getting it. Okay, so next question you can see here is the sum of first n natural numbers is. So what is the first n natural? It is directly taken from the textbook, and you should remember this. Okay, so the right answer is what? N into n plus 1 by 2 is the right answer for this one. Next, question number 3. In the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, which of the following situations cannot arise? The question is what? Which of the following situation cannot arise? Now tell me what all you can expect now here is. The first one you can find here is what? Intersecting lines. The first one is intersecting lines. As already you know that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 indicates what? It is an intersecting lines. Similarly, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 indicates the lines are what? Parallel lines. Here it is coincident lines. But the question asked is what? Which of the following situation cannot arise? The option D will not arise that way. Okay, so that is the question in this case. Okay, then coming to the next one. Yes, so next one you can see here. The number of zeros of the polynomial y is equal to p of x in the given graph is. So this is the graph x dash and y dash, and you can see here this is intersecting the x axis at how many points? It is intersecting the x axis at 3 points. Therefore, the zero of polynomial is how much? 3. Therefore, option 3 is the right answer. I hope you are getting it. Then coming to the next question now. X into x plus 2 is a 6 is what? Is a linear equation, is a quadratic equation, is a cubic polynomial, or is it a quadratic polynomial? That is the question. So let me know what is the answer for this one. What answer can you expect in this case? See, you can see this one here. Yes, that this x into x plus 2 is equal to 6. How will you write? Multiply this and multiply this one. So x into x will become x square, 2 into x will become 2x, which is minus 6 equal to 0. Since it is equal sign, it is an equation, and power is 2, it is what? Quadratic equation. I hope you are getting it. If you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. That is what I can expect from you all who are watching. Okay. So then if you want to uplift your studies by scoring package, by previous year question papers, model question papers with solutions, so you and chapter wise question and answers, you will get 12 set of books of all the 6 subjects. So you can just call to the given number on the screen here. 8123426450 is the number. Thus on the screen it is given. You can just call and just get the any kind of any kind of queries related to the books, and it will be delivered in 2 or 3 working days at your doorstep. Okay. So now coming to the next question, question number 6 now. See, in the figure, triangle PQR, they already said that triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. That means both the triangles are similar. You should tell the corresponding sides. See, how will you write the corresponding side? Just twist this one, or just twist this, or twist this one. So what can you do? Is this one keep as it is, twist this. So what will you do? P. This is P and A. So angle A should be equal to angle P. Then angle R and angle C are equal. So angle C should be equal to angle R. Okay. And this angle Q should be equal to angle B. Now see the corresponding sides. The corresponding side of PQ is what? AB. Okay. So left side is equal should be equal to the left side. Okay. Now let us see. The right answer is what? PQ and AB. If you just twist this, left side should be equal to left side will be your answer. Therefore, the right answer is what? Option A. Okay. Now next question. Sin square A minus cos square A is equal to what? So most of you are having confusion with this chapter, and this chapter requires much dedication and practice. So let us begin with the discussion of answer for this question now. Okay. So if you are having any queries, any kind of suggestions or feedback, kindly put it in the comment section below so that I can get to know that you people are in line with me. Okay. So let us begin with this. See, sin square A minus cos square A they are telling. So sin square A minus cos square A equal to, if there was a plus sign here, it would have become 1, but it is a minus sign. You should be very much careful while solving. So what can you do? Sin square A is what? 1 minus cos square A. You know, sin square A plus cos square A equal to what? 1. If you just send cos square A here, so you will get what? Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. This formula you should use. Now, this one write as it is. Then sin square A is what? 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A. Cos square A minus cos square A will give you 2 cos square A. So that will fetch you what? Option B is as your right answer. I hope you all are following. If so, kindly like, share and subscribe. Okay. Next. See, the sum of probability of all elementary events of a random experiment is 1. Already you know the sum of probabilities of all the random elements will be always what? Is equal to 1 only. Next, find the value of B if the pair of linear equation 2x plus by equal to 8 and 2 into 2x plus 3y equal to 16 has infinitely many solutions. Okay, and this PDF already I uploaded it in the subsequent Telegram and WhatsApp group. Kindly get access from there. If not, kindly message me or just message to the number which is given on the screen. We will let you just guide you how to get it. Okay, so yes, let us begin with what this question given is what the first equation, which is that 2x plus by equal to 8. Now second equation you write 2 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. Now 2 ones are 2 8s are 16 will come. Now this equation, okay, reduces. Now you see beside x there is 2, beside x there is 2, beside y b 3. That means b equal to what? 3. Comparing equation 1 and 2, b equal to 3 because constant is same. Coefficient of x is same and coefficient of y is same. So if you write like this, you will get what? Total 1 mark. I hope you got it. So if you are getting it, I just request that you people should kindly like, share and subscribe. Okay. Next, write the degree of this polynomial. See, the degree of this polynomial is p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 3x square. So degree means what? Highest power of x. So highest power of x is what here? In this case it is 3. Therefore degree of the polynomial is 3. If sin a is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos a is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of tan a. You already know what is the value of tan a. tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Okay. Now sin A by cos A, sin value is given as it as root 3 by 2. Cos value is given as 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Root 3 by 1 will remain. Therefore, tan A will get what? Root 3. Okay. I hope you got the clarity. Then write the empirical relation between the three measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode. This question has come many a times for objective type questions also. So you should able and capable to know the answer for this one. Now the question is, write the empirical relation. The relation between this is what? The relation between this you can find is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. That means 3 median is equal to the mode plus 2 mean. You should just by heart it. Okay, you should just remember it. Generally you can able and capable to write this. Express the quadratic equation in the standard form. So they are given it in the fraction. Now you should capable and able to write it in the standard form. How will you do this? Write this. Then you transfer x in the numerator. This 2 will go in numerator. Now it will go besides. So x into x plus 1. It will go here 3 into 2. Just give to this. X into x, x square. X 1s are x. 3 2s are 6. Transfer 6 on the left side. So x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0, and this is a standard form. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c, that is in the standard form. Find the distance of the point 6, 8 from origin. For this you should know the formula for distance from origin. What is the distance from origin formula? The formula is d is equal to root of x square plus y square. So d is equal to root. X is what? The first one, that is 6 square, and y is what? 8 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, 36 plus 64 is root 100. Root 100 is how much? 10 units. I hope you got the clarity related to this question. Now question number 15. In the figure, triangle POQ is similar to triangle ROS. See here, triangle POQ is similar to triangle ROS. This both the triangles are what? Similar, and PQ is parallel to RS. What they are telling is PQ and RSS are what? Parallel. If ratio of PQ and RS is equal to 1:2. If this is 1, this is 2, then find bigger length by smaller length. Remember, bigger length should be the greater number and smaller length should be what? Smaller number. Now given is what? Already they said that these two triangles are similar. So if these two triangles are similar, what you can write? So you can write PQ. See here, this length equal to divided by this length should be equal to OQ by OS. Should be equal to OP by OR. Now you see PQ by RS is equal to OQ by OS. Only this one you should take. Now already they said that PQ is to SR is equal to 1:2. PQ by SR is 1:2. So you can write PQ by SR 1:1/2 equal to 0 by OQ. Then by writing reciprocal, because we need what? Ratio of reciprocal. So while writing reciprocal, what can you do here by writing reciprocal? So this will become ulta. That means 2 by 1. This will become ulta OS by OQ. Then OS by OQ will get you what? 2:1 as your answer. Okay, how here you can able to solve this? This length is 2 and this length is 1. So because corresponding sides are what? Equal. OS is bigger length and this is smaller. Bigger length divided by smaller length. So 2:1 is will be your answer. Now coming to the next question. The circumference of circular base of cylinder is 44 centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter. Find the CSA, that is curved surface area of the cylinder. How will you do this one? See, circumference of cylinder is given here, that is 44 centimeter. What is circumference formula? 2 pi r is equal to 44, because circumference of base of the cylinder will be what? Circle. Then they are given what? Height is 10 centimeter and CSA of cylinder is what? 2 pi r into h. Already you know 2 pi r, that is 44. H you know it is 10. Therefore 44 into 10 will give you 440 centimeter square will be your answer. I hope you are connecting to me. Next, answer the following questions. So it is total 16 marks you will get. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So how to prove that the given is a 3 plus root 5 is irrational number? See, in order to prove that, let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is and rational number. First we should assume that 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. So let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is rational. If it is rational number, can I write it in the form of p by q? Definitely I can write it in the form of what? P by q. Then transfer this 3 here. So where p comma q belongs to integers, q should not be equal to 0. P and q are co-primes. That means they don't have a common factor between them. Then you take rational numbers, one on one side, root on one side. So p by q is equal to 3. 1 will transfer here, q will transfer here. P minus 3 q by q is this. Now you know that this is rational number because it is having only p minus 3 q by q. P minus 3 q by q is a rational number, then this should be rational number. But this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational number. We know that already. You have solved a page by squaring on both the sides. The lengthy procedure you already done, and you know that the root 5 is what? Irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Whatever we assume is always wrong in this case. Hence, 3 plus root 5 is what? Irrational number. You can use a method which has been taught in your school or any kind of easy method that is also accepted. Okay, because this is just a general question like theorem and this. You can just refer to the easy method. Okay, the one which is standard from textbook I have written from that. Okay, you can get it from any other source which is taught. In some cases here irrational number is not equal to rational number. Our assumption is wrong. You can finish it in 2 steps also, that will be also accepted. Okay, so now coming to the next question, that is what is the composite number? Which is the composite number among 23 and 24? See, the numbers which has more than 2 factors, the numbers which has more than 2 factors, or the numbers which are not prime, those are called as what? Composite numbers. Now hence, here what they are telling, which is the composite number among 23 and 24. So you know already 24 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. Prime factors you can tell. 24 is written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then our question, state the fundamental theorem of arithmetic or write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only factors. So how will you write this? See, the numbers which has more than, the answer is here. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. So this is a definition. You should know what are prime numbers, composite numbers, HCF, LCM, and the definitions of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. These are the very important questions when it comes to examination point of view. Okay, now see, the composite number which has 7 and 3 is its only prime factor is 7 3s are 21. It is the composite number. Find the 21st term of an AP 5, 9, 13 using the formula. See, they have given the AP here. What is that? AP is 5, 9, 13. A is the first term, it is 5. D is common difference, 9 minus 5, that is second term minus first term. A2 minus A1 is 9 minus 5 is 4. Then total number of terms here are what? 21st term. Now 21st term is what? A21. A21 means A plus N minus 1 into D, that is A, this one less D. 20D you will get. A is 5, D is 4, so 24 is 80. 80 plus 5 will give you what? 85. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. How will you write? X plus y equal to 4, it is equation 1. Then 2x plus y equal to 6, it is an equation 2. Now what will you write? See, this y and y are having same thing, just subtract. Minus minus, this will get cancelled. X minus 2 is minus x. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to 2 you will get. Similarly, substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 1. So equation 1 is x plus y equal to 4. Then already you know x is 2, y plus is equal to 4. Transfer 2 on that side. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, value of y will get what? 2. Okay. I hope you are getting. Still you want to uplift your studies. I request you to just kindly get the UDAAN books of all the 6 subjects you can get accessible, in which you are having scoring package, passing packages, and you will be getting the total 12 set of books. You can call to the given number on the screen here. 8123426450 is the number, and it will be delivered to you at your doorstep in 2 or 3 working days. Okay, so coming back to the next set of questions, so we got answer as x is equal to 2 and y equal to 2 as your answer. Okay, now coming to the next one, if the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 equal to 0 has two equal roots, then find the equation. Yes, but the given condition is what here? The given condition is b is less than 1. That means the answer should be less than 1. That is the condition. Given x square plus bx plus 9 equal to 0, in which a, the number beside x square is 1, b is b only, c is 9. If the roots are equal, when do you tell that two roots are equal? When the discriminant b square minus 4ab should be equal to 0. Now b is what here? B is b itself. So you just transfer b square is equal to 4ac because we need an equation. Now b square is equal to 4. A is how much? 1 here. C is how much? 9. So b square, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. Multiply all the three numbers. So b square, the square will go here, it will become root. But you should be careful because it's a quadratic equation. You may end up getting two roots, that is plus and minus. So plus or minus root 36. So root 36 is 6. So b can be plus 6 or minus 6. But the condition is b is less than 1. So b is equal to minus 6. Equation is b is equal to minus 6 or b plus 6. Or you can just substitute b is equal to minus 6 here. X square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0 will be your answer. Thus, next. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining the points A 1 comma minus 3, B 8 comma 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. So A is given as what? 1 comma minus 3, that is x1 y1. B is 8 comma 5 x2 y2. Then ratio is m1 is to m2 is equal to 3:1. Okay. Now you should find what section formula. So how will you find the section formula here? So what method will make you to find the section formula? You can just see here p of x comma y. Okay, if p of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by x1 plus x2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, that is the equation. Next, what can you get here? M1 is how much? 3. M1 is 3, M2 is 1. M1 is 3, M2 is 1. So wherever M1, M2 substitute. Then x2 is how much? Just see here, x2 is 8, x1 is 1. Then 8 3s are 24, 1 1s are 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 5 3s are 15 minus 3, okay, by 4. Then 24 plus 1 is 25 by 4. 15 minus 3 is 12 by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are. So you will get what? 25 by 4. That is nothing but 6.25 comma 3. Or simply if you write in fraction, that is also accepted. I hope you people are finding it helpful. If so, kindly like, share and subscribe. Okay. Next one is, in the figure xy is what? Tangent. They said that xy is a tangent at the point P. So P is what? Point of contact is center O. Q is a point on xy. Q is somewhere on xy. To show that this OQ should be greater than what? OP. Now given is what? Xy is a tangent. P is what? Point of contact, that is given here. Then you should draw construction. So construction is what I have drawn here. OQ we should join. So whenever you are drawing any construction, you should use dotted lines. Now what can you do to prove what? OQ should be greater than OP you should to prove. Now you know that angle P is what? 90 degree. Why? Because radius and tangent are perpendicular. This is the theorem 1, that radius and tangent are what? Perpendicular. I hope you are getting it. Then by Pythagoras theorem, what will you get? OQ square, because opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Since hypotenuse OQ is the longest side of a triangle, therefore OQ should be greater than what? OP, that is radius of circle. If you are having any other method, you can use that also. This is the one I have used what? The Pythagoras theorem in order to solve the question. So if you are finding it helpful, you kindly like the video. Then a toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 cm mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area, total area of the toy. See radius of the cone, what is given? R is equal to, you can see here 3.5 centimeter. Okay, you can just see the question here. This is a cone whose radius is 3.5. Height, total height is given it as 15.5. So total height is how much? It is 15.5. See here, this total is 15.5. If this is 3.5, this is also 3.5. Why? Because this is what? The hemisphere. It is like the semicircle, it is having the same radius. This is also 3.5 only. Now from 15.5 subtract 3.5, we will get what? Height of cone will be 12. Therefore, height of cone h is equal to 15.5. Total height minus height of hemisphere will get 12. Then you should find slant height, because the CSE of cone will have slant height. The formula is root of r square plus h square. R is how much? You can find here 3.5 square plus h is 12 square. 12.25 plus 144, you will get 156.25. When you take root, you will get 12.5 centimeter. Now TSE of toy is what you can see. CSE of above figure plus CSE of below figure. CSE of above figure is cone. CSE of below figure is hemisphere. So CSE of cone plus CSE of hemisphere. CSE of cone is pi RL plus 2 pi r square. Pi r is common. You can see here and here pi r is common. L plus 2r. So pi is 22 by 7. R is 3.5. L is 12.5. 2r is 2 into 3.5. 7 1 is 7.5 is 22 into 0.5 is 11. 12.5 as it is, always you should multiply first. That means 2 into 3.5 you should do. Then 11 into 12 plus 12.5 plus 7 is 19.5. 19.5 into 11 will give 214.5 centimeter square. Therefore, the TSE of toy is 214.5 centimeter square. Then there is all question. The volume of sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Find its surface area. The all question which is solved here. Given volume of sphere is what? 539 by 3 centimeter cube is given. Then volume of sphere is 539 by 3. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next, this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So what will you do is you write pi is equal to 22 by 7. Then this 7, 22 and 4 take down. Just cancel out. You will get what? R cube is equal to 7 into 49 by 4 to the 8. Then 7 cube by 2 cube will come. Take the whole cube. Square cube will get cancelled. R is equal to 7 by 2. Then CSE formula is what? Sphere is 4 pi r square. Then 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. You will get 22 into 7 by 2. That is 2 ones are 2 11s. After solving, you will get how much? For 154 centimeter square as your answer. I hope you people are finding it helpful. Next, now coming to 3 mark questions. Total there are 9 3 mark questions. Then one of the zero of polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus k is one more than the other zero. Find the value of k. See here, let the zeros of polynomial be alpha and beta. You know alpha and beta are what? Zeros of polynomial. Now alpha is alpha, beta is what? 1 plus alpha. Why? Because they said one of the zero of polynomial is one more than the other. That means एक क्या है? ज़्यादा है other से. Other is what? Alpha only. Now p of x is what? X square minus 5x plus k. That is a given equation. A is what? 1. B is minus 5. C is k. Sum of zeros formula is what? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha is alpha only. Beta already we have assumed it as what? 1 plus alpha. Minus b is minus 5 by 1. Minus minus get cancel 5. Alpha plus alpha will give 2 alpha. Send 1 on this side. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are alpha will get you 2. Now solve what? Product of zeros. So what is the formula for product of zeros? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha is alpha. Beta is 1 plus alpha. Yes, 1 plus alpha is equal to k by 1. Alpha is 2. Beta is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. Therefore k is equal to 6. Directly also you can able to solve this, because this is 3 mark question. Somewhat understanding question will be asked. Okay, so I hope you all are finding it. Then find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is what? 182. See, let the two numbers be x and y. Quadratic equation you will get. Sum is 27. Sum is what? X plus y. Just add 27. You transfer x on this side. Y is equal to 27 minus x. This will be your equation 1. Now product is how much? X into y is 182. So y is 27 minus x. Just multiply this and this. 27x minus x square is equal to 182. You will get x square. Rearrange x square. It will go on right side. This will go on right side. It is already on right side. You will get this equation. Then x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. 182 x square can be split as minus 14 and minus 13. So minus 13 and 14 will give you 182. So then what is common here? X is common, x minus 14. Minus 13 is common, x minus 14 is 0. Then again x minus 14. Then x minus 13. So this term equal to 0 or this term equal to 0. X is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13. If x is equal to 14, y is equal to 27 minus x, that is 27 minus 14, you will get 13. Then if x is equal to 13, y you will get how much? 14. Just substitute here and you will get the answer. Then next one, there is our question here. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13, then find the other two sides. See what you should do, you should just draw one triangle here ABC. They said that altitude is 7 less than its base. So let the base be what? First x. Okay, centimeter altitude is what? AB. It will be x minus 7 centimeter less than its base. Therefore, AC will be 13. Already it is given. Hypotenuse is 13, the longest side of a triangle. Then by using phi, what you can do? AC square. So here you can just see on the screen AC square. Hypotenuse is what? AC. Therefore, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is 13 square. Then AB is how much? X minus 7 the whole square. BC is x square. Then 13 square is 169. Then x minus 7 the whole square. A square minus 2. A is x, B is 7 and x square. Sorry, 7 square. This x square is from this. Then 169 equal to 2x square minus 14x plus 49. Then this 7 2s of 14 has been multiplied. Then 2x square minus 14x. This plus 49. This 169 is taken on right side. All are having 2 as a common. Divide by 2. So you will get what? X square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. This minus 60x square you can split it as minus 12 and plus 5x. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 12. Take 5 common, x minus 12. X minus 12 is common, x plus 5. So x minus 12 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 12 or x is equal to minus 5. But x cannot be minus because it is a side. It cannot be negative. Therefore it is rejected. Therefore base x is equal to 12. Now altitude is what? AB. Okay, you can see in the figure altitude is AB, it is x minus 7. So what will you get? AB is x minus 12 minus 7 is 5. Therefore AB altitude is 5. Base x is BC is equal to 12 centimeter. I hope you are getting it. Okay. Now coming to the next one. Prove that sin a plus cosec a the whole square plus cos a plus sec a the whole square is equal to 7. Tan square a plus cot square a is the next question. Okay. Now just see the question here. Let's just you take sin a plus cosec a the whole square plus cos a plus sec a the whole square you take. Use a plus b the whole square formula. That is, this is a and this is b. Use what? A plus b the whole square formula plus cos a plus sec a the whole square. Now you see here a square plus 2 ab. A is sin a, b is cos a plus cosec square a plus a plus b the whole square. Okay. Cos square a plus 2 cos a sec a plus sec square a. You will get equation. Such a big lengthy equation you will get here. Here you know that sin square a plus cos square a दोनों मिलके क्या होते? एक होते. दो दिल मिलके एक होते. Yes, sin square theta and cos square theta together will become what? 1. So here sin square theta plus sin square a plus cos square a both together has become 1, and reciprocal of sin a will be 1 by cosec a. Reciprocal of cos a will be 1 upon sec a. Then 1 plus 2 Sin A I can get as cosec A, cosec A and cosec A will get cancelled plus this cos square and sin square has already become 1 here. Then 2 cos A I can write it as what? 1 upon sec, sec get cancelled plus sec square A. You will left out is 1 plus 2 plus cosec square plus 2 plus sec square. Now 1 plus what is cosec square A? 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. 1 plus tan square A is sec square A. So total it was 5. Now in place of cosec square write 1 plus cot square. In place of sec square write 1 plus tan. 5 plus 1 plus 1 it is 7. Tan square A plus cot square A, which will give you RHS. I hope you are finding it helpful. Then find a relation between x and y such that the point P of x comma y is equidistant from the points A 7 comma 1 and B 3 comma 5. Also find the coordinates of point P if A, P, B are what? Collinear. See, let P of x comma y be equidistant. So this point P should be equidistant from both the point, that is A 7 comma 1 and B 3 comma 5. Assume that both are having equal distance. If you are having equal distance, that means AP and BP should be equal. Yes, you can find on the screen here. Squaring, that means AP square is equal to BP square. Now see here, x minus 7 the whole square plus distance formula you should use. But the root has been cancelled because square has already been done. So root you should not take here. You should be careful. Then x minus 7 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square, x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square. Then a minus b the whole square formula you should use. A square x square minus 2x into 7 plus 7 square plus y square minus 2y into 1 plus 1 square. Similarly, a minus b the whole square you do, y minus 5 the whole square. If you take x square and y square on left side, x square get cancels and y square get cancelled. You will left out with what? 7 2s are 14x, then 7 square 49 minus 2y plus 1. Similarly, minus 6x, 3 square 9, this and this. Take letters on one side. Okay, see minus 14x is here. So you take see minus 14 plus 6 will become minus 2y plus 10. Numbers on one side. So what will you get here is minus 8 plus 8y equal to 16. Minus 8 is common. X minus y you will get what? 2. I hope you got it how to solve. Then the second set of question in this is also find the coordinates of point P if A, P, B are collinear. See, if A, P, B are collinear, P is what? Midpoint. Okay. If A, P, B are collinear means they are in the same straight line. Then x comma y is the midpoint of A and B. So point P is midpoint of AB. You should use midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 7 plus 3 by 2, 1 plus 5 by 2, 10 by 2, 6 by 2, 5 comma 3. Therefore, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. You will get. See, if you are finding it helpful, I again request yes, to kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives of solving. And if you still want to uplift your studies with more application based questions, more of exam oriented questions, you can just get the UDAAN books which has last 5-year questions. So everything has been solved and you will get some application type of questions, everything. So you can just call on the given number 8123426450 which is on your screen, so that it will be delivered within 2 or 3 working days. Okay, so if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. Now I will move on to the next set of question. There is a OR question in this. If the points A 4 comma 5 and B 7 comma 9 and C 4 comma 3 and D x comma 2 are vertices of parallelogram. So on the screen you can find here. Okay, on the screen you can find. Yes, on the screen you can find here parallelogram ABCD is what? Parallelogram. Now you know AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to AD, and you know that okay, ABCD, since the diagonals of a parallelogram, they bisect each other. Okay, at O, the diagonals of a parallelogram, what they will happen? They will bisect each other at O. That means midpoint of this should be equal to midpoint of this. That means the midpoint of diagonal AC should be equal to midpoint of diagonal CD. That midpoint of this and midpoint of 6 will be at the same point. That is what the meaning of this statement. Now midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. See AC, x1 4 plus 4 by 2, 5 plus 3 by 2. Similarly, BD, first term of this and first term of this divided by 2, 2 comma 2 plus y by 2. Now 4 plus 4 is 8 by 2, 5 plus 3 is 8 by 2, 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. Now what will happen is this first and this first both are x terms, so they will both will get equated. 4 is equal to x plus 7 by 2, 4 2s are 8, transfer this x is equal to 1, 4 is equal to 2 plus y by 2, 4 2s are 8, so you will get what? Y is equal to 6. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 6 will be your answer. Then find the mean of the following frequency distribution. You know the given is Ci. I have written vertically. Frequency is written. So you should find midpoint. How will you find the midpoint? So the midpoint is found what? Using adding this. 20 plus 10 is 30. Half. Midpoint means what? Adding and taking the average. That is one method. Or 10, 15, 20. Like this also you can do. So it is 15. 20 plus 30 is 50. Half of that is 25, 35, 45, 55. F and X multiply 2 and 15, 30. 3 into 25, 75. 5 into 35, 175. 7 into 45, 315. 3 into 55, 165. Add this, you will get summation or sigma Fi 20. Add this entire table, you will get 760. Mean formula is what? This answer. That is summation Fi xy divided by sum of Fi. 760 by 20, 0 0 get cancelled. 76 half is 38. That is the value of your mean. Then there is one question here, or find the median. Again I have written a Ci vertically F. Then you should find CF. CF means what here? Cumulative frequency. Then you just see for cumulative frequency 2 write as it is. Add 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 plus 5 20. This answer and this answer should match. Again N by 2 is equal to 20 by 2. 2 1s are 2 10s are 20. L is what? Lowest Ci or medium class. Okay. So highest step, which is the highest step here? 6 or 10. Nearest highest of 10 is what? The CF, that is 11. So this is your median class. So you got how to find median class? Nearest highest of 10 in CF table. Okay. So it is 11 is median class. In median class सबसे left वाला L है. Then CF is just above median class, that is 5. Okay. Then F is frequency of median class. H is class size. 30 minus 25 is 5. Then median formula is L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. 25 plus 10 minus 5 by 6 into 5. So it is 10 minus 5 is 5 by 6 into 5. 5 by 25 by 6. 25 by 6 is 4.16. 25 plus 4.16 will give you 29.16 is the median. I hope you people are following it. If so, kindly like, share and subscribe. Then a boy and a girl are born in the month of September. Find the probability that both will have different birthdays and same birthdays. Remember, total we need always. Denominator of probability is what? Total. So total is what? A September has 30 days. So total is what? 30. Since both boy and girl are born in September, we assume that the birthdays are what? Equally likely. That means they are having only one day in entire year. In one entire year, the possibility of having same birthday is 1. So first one I will find what? Having same birthday is 1 day in entire year, particular day of the month. So probability is 1 by 30. Then having different birthdays. That means in a month of September 30 days, one day they will be celebrating the particular day celebrating birthday, remaining is 29 days. So 29 days other than particular day, that means 29 by 30 or 1 minus 1 by 30 you do, 29 by 30 you will get. Then question number 31, so the total there are 38 questions. Okay, so 8 more questions I need to do. In a scaling triangle ABC, draw a line parallel to BC. So there is a scaling triangle, all sides are equal. So you should draw a line parallel to BC, that is DE. Let this line intersect at D and E. They have given DE is to BC is equal to 2 is to 5. Then AE is given it as 3. DE is given it as 2, then find the perimeter of triangle, that means AB plus BC plus AC. Now given is what? DE is to BC is 2 is to 5. So I will take DE is equal to 2x and BC is equal to 5x, remaining already has been given. Now already DE is given as 4. Here DE I have assumed it as 2x. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, you will get x is equal to 2. Therefore DE is how much you will get? 4 centimeter. BC also you will get 5 twos are what? 10 centimeter. Now by corollary of BPT, what is that? Smaller length by bigger length, AD by AB, smaller length by bigger length, AE by AC, and smaller length by bigger length, DE by BC. So AD is how much? 2, because already it is given 2 by AB, 3 by AC. First should equate to second, and 3 AC by 2 by 5 should be equal to this. So you will get 5 by 2, just send this here and this here. So you will get AB is 5, then 15 by 2 you will get what? 7.5. Now perimeter of triangle is what? AB plus BC plus AC. AB we got 5, BC we already find it is 10, AC is 7.5, the total answer is 22.5 centimeter. I hope you are following. Then prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. First you should write the statement. See, the lengths of a tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Draw a circle with center O, PQ and PR. See, O is center of circle, P is an external point, PQ and PR are what? The lengths of a tangent. We should prove that PQ and PR are what? Equal. So to prove construction, what the dotted line what I have drawn here are the construction part, that is join OP, OQ and OR. Now take the two triangles, that is OQP and ORP, prove that they are congruent. First is what? Angle Q and angle R are equal. Can you tell me angle Q and angle R are equal to 90 degrees, because radius and tangent are perpendicular. Then OR is equal to OQ. Why? Because radii of same circle. Then you can find OP is common. OP is equal to OP will give you common side. Therefore, triangle OPQ is congruent to triangle OPR, because right angle hypotenuse side theorem. Therefore, length PQ is equal to PR. Okay, that is what you should write CP/CT. Okay. Then coming to question number 33, the area of a sector OAYB, this area of sector shown in the figure is 462 centimeters square. Find the length of the arc. You should find AYB if angle AOB is 120 degree, that is given. Given is what? Area of sector and OAYB for 462 centimeters square. Angle AOB is given as 120 degree. Now you know what is area 462. Area formula is sector is theta by 360, pi r square is 462. Theta is 120 degree, already it is given as 120. So ones are threes are, you will get 22 by 7 is r square. So r square keep as it is, 7 and 3 will move upside, 22 will come down. If you just cancel out, r square will get you as 21 square. So r is equal to square and square will get cancelled. You will end up with getting r is equal to 21. Now you should find what? Length of the arc AYB. AYB is the length of arc. So circumference of sector, that means L is equal to theta by 360 2 pi r. Theta is 120 by 360, 0 0 get cancelled, 1 by 3 is 2, pi is 22 by 7, r is 21. So when you just multiply L, you will get 44. Therefore the length of the arc AYB will get you at 44 centimeter. Then there is all question in this. The area of sector of a circle is numerically equal to length of the arc of sector. If the length of arc is 44 by 21 centimeter, then find the radius of the circle and also the angle subtended by the arc, okay, at the center. See, given is what? Area of sector is equal to length of sector. Area of sector formula is theta by 360 pi r square. The length of sector is theta by 362 pi r. Theta by 360 get cancelled, pi get cancelled, r square is equal to 2r. R get cancelled, you will get r is equal to 2, radius is 2. Now length of the arc is given is as how much? L is equal to 44 by 21. Theta by 362 pi r is equal to 44 by 21. Theta by 360 is if you just multiply and just cross multiply, you will get theta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle subtended at the center will be what? 60 degree will be your answer. Okay, I hope you people are finding it. If so, kindly like, share and subscribe. And still you want to uplift your studies, kindly get the UDAAN books. Call the given number on the screen 8123426450, and our team will deliver you the books in 2 or 3 working days. Okay, now coming to the next question, the graph question, very much important. So x plus y equal to 6 and 2x plus y equal to 10. So x plus y equal to 6. So you take the values, any value you can take, negative values 0, 5, 6, any value. I have taken the simple numbers 0, 1, 2. So when you substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6, x is equal to 1, y 5, x is equal to 2, y 4. Similarly, in this equation, x is equal to 0, y 10. Then x is equal to 1, you put y 8. X is equal to 2, you put y 6. Like this, you will get what? Both the tables. Next, you should draw the graph like this. Okay. Then just plot the points and you will get the graph like this. Okay. And you should know that when you draw the graph neatly, okay, when you draw the graph neatly on the screen, you can just see where they are meeting. They are meeting at this point, that is 4, 2, that is x is equal to 4, y is 2, this is your solution. The point of intersection will give you what? Solution. Therefore, solution is what? X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3, and you should not forget to write what? Scale. Okay, like this you should be able and capable to write the entire graph. I hope you are finding it. Okay, then coming to the next one, AP question. The ratio of 11th and 8th term of an AP arithmetic progression is 3:2. Find the ratio of the sum of first 5 terms to the sum of first 21 terms of it. Given is A11 by A8 is 3/2. To find S5 by S21. So you know A11 is A plus 10D, A8 is A plus 7D is equal to 3/2. Transfer 2 in here, 3 is equal, beside 3 A plus 7D will come. Multiply 2A plus 20D, 3A plus 21D. Take D on one side, A on one side, rearrange. 20D minus 21D is minus D, 3A minus 2A is A. So you will get A is equal to minus D. Now we need to find ratio of S5 by S21. You know what is the formula for Sn? N by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S5 by S21, 5 by 2, 2A plus 5 minus 1. N is what? The number below S, it is D. So what will you get? 21 by 2. So 2A plus 21 minus 1 into D. Now 2A plus 5 minus 1, 4D, 2A plus 20D, 2 will get cancelled, 5 by 21. Now the A already you know, in place of A you write minus D, it is minus 2D. Then you can see on the screen here, yes, 4D, these are like terms, 4 minus 2 is 2D, 20 minus 2 is 18D. So 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, 5 and 1 will remain, 21 9s is 189, D will get cancelled. So S5 by S21 will give you 5 by 189. Therefore, the ratio of sum of first 5 terms to the sum of first 21 terms will give you 5:189. I hope you are getting the clarity here. Next, prove that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio or in proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. This is what AAA theorem. Okay. So corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are in same ratio. You should prove. So this is AAA theorem. How it is given in your class work or in the textbook. If you write, you will get the maximum marks. So I'll just let you know how I have solved. See, in triangle AFGC and in triangle DEF, you know corresponding angles. Angle A and D are equal. Angle B is equal to angle E. C is equal to angle F. We should prove that these two triangles are similar. Left side fraction AB by DE equal to AC by DF should be equal to BC by EF. Then for this you should draw what construction, you just put it copy paste here. That means BC should be equal to PQ. Then AB should be equal to DP, AC should be equal to DQ, BC should be equal to PQ. You should just put here and join PQ. Then you take this smaller triangle and this smaller triangle, prove that they are congruent. See, angle A and angle D are equal because already it is given. Angle A and angle D are equal. Then by construction, AB is equal to DP. AB is equal to DP by construction. AC is equal to DQ by construction. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by side angle side postulate. Therefore, BC is equal to PQ, you will get CPCT, and we know that angle B and angle P are equal. Why? Because it is given. Therefore, PQ is parallel to EF. Why? Corresponding angles are equal. These two angles are equal. If these two angles are equal, means PQ and EF are parallel. If they are parallel, I will use what? Thales theorem. Corollary, smaller length by bigger length. Okay, so I can write it as bigger length by smaller length, bigger length by smaller length, bigger length by smaller length. You will get the answer. You write corollary of BPT, you should use bigger length by smaller length, bigger length by smaller length. Then use this construction here. AB is equal to DP. So in place of DP, AB, PQ is BC, DQ is AC, and triangle ABC is what? Similar. I hope you find it. So kindly write it. This PDF already I uploaded in the Telegram link and subsequent WhatsApp groups. You can get access from there. Okay. Now coming to the next one. Question number 37, the last second question of my discussion. Yes. So yes, let us begin with this. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of cylinder is 10 centimeter and the radius of its base is 3.5, then find the TSC of article. See what they are telling is the height of cylinder is 10, radius is 3.5, TSC you should find. How will you find total surface area? Total surface area is CSA plus CSA. It will give you TSA. So what is CSA of cylinder? Here it is figure is CSA of cylinder plus CSA of two hemisphere. Okay, there are two hemisphere. Therefore, it is CSA of hemisphere into 2 you will get. Now CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH, CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square into 2. So 2 pi r is common in both. Here h will remain, here 2r will remain. 2 into 22 by 7, r is 3.5, just cancel out. H is 10, r is 3.5, multiply this. So 22 into 10 plus 7 is 17. 22 into 17 will give you 374 centimeters square. Therefore, the total surface area of the article is 374. Or there is one more question. A juice seller was serving his customer using glass as shown in the figure. He is using this glass. The inner diameter of the glass, cylindrical glass, was 5 centimeter. So the inner diameter is how much? 5. Therefore, radius will be 5 by 2 centimeter. But the bottom of the glass had a hemisphere raised portion which reduced the capacity of glass. If the height of glass was 10 centimeter, then find the apparent capacity of the glass and its actual capacity. Capacity means you should find what? Volume in this case. How much liquid it can accommodate. See, apparent capacity means without this. Okay, so apparent capacity means what? Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi you should take it as what? 3.14 only. Okay, so 3.14, 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into h. 1 is a 1.57 is a multiply. You will get 196.25 centimeter cube. So apparent capacity is this much. Now, actual capacity is what? Volume of cylinder, you should subtract this. Volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so if you just multiply 22 by 3.14 r cube. So if you just multiply and divide, you will get what? 32.7 centimeter cube. Actual capacity is this minus total volume of cylinder minus hemisphere. If you do, you will get what? 163.55 centimeter cube. I hope you all are finding it. Okay. Now coming to the last question of our discussion, that is question number 38. AB and RQ are two vertical towers standing. So you can just see here. AB and RQ are two vertical towers standing on the level ground. The angle of elevation of top of tower from point P. So from point P, the angle of elevation from the point P on the same ground and from the foot of the tower are 30 degree as shown in the figure. If PQ is how much, 24 meter, and AR is 13 meter, then find the heights of tower AB you should find, RQ you should find, also find the length AP you should find. Now given is what? PQ. You can just see here PQ is 24, then AR is given it as 13. To find AB, RQ and length AP, construction you should do. What construction you should draw here in the sense is, draw BQ, see, draw AC perpendicular to what? RQ, that means BQ is equal to CQ. It will become a rectangle. Okay, that is the construction you should know. Now in triangle APQ, which triangle you should take? In triangle, this smaller triangle APQ, you know angle, sorry, in triangle APQ, this bigger triangle, angle P and angle Q are equal. Can you tell me why? Because it is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, AB is perpendicular. Therefore, PB is equal to BQ. Why? Because in isosceles triangle, the perpendicular bisects. See, it is an isosceles triangle and perpendicular bisect the base. Therefore, this will become what? 12 and this will become 12. Therefore, PB is equal to BQ is will become what? 12. Now you take this triangle APB. In triangle APB, tan 30. Tan 30 is what? Opposite divided by base, that is opposite divided by adjacent. Now AB by BP, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, AB by 12. So transfer 12 on numerator, 12 by root 3, rationalize denominator. So into root 3 into root 3. So 12 root 3 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 4, you will get 4 root 3. Now here in the question they said root 3 is equal to 1.7, you should take that itself. So here what will you get? 1.7, 4 into 1.7 will give 6.8 meter. Next, in triangle ACR, you know hypotenuse square, that is AR square is equal to AC square plus RC square. If this is 12, this should be 12, you will get what? RC. Okay. So that is 13 square minus 12 square. 169 minus 144 is how much? 25. It will become 5 meter. Okay. Then you see here what is QR then? Can you just tell what is QR? QR is what? RC plus CQ. Okay, QR is RC plus CQ. This one we got it as 5 and this one AB is 6.8. So this one will be 6.8, it will be 11.8. So the total length of RQ we need to find is what? 11.8. Now I need to find what? AB. Again come to this triangle only. In triangle APQ, in this triangle, angle B is 90 degree. You use cos theta or sin theta, you will get the answer. Okay. Now cos theta, cos 30 I will take. Cos is what? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 12 by 80. So AP is equal. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So AP will go here, 2 will go, root 3 will come down. Again root 3 into root 3, 24 root 3 by into 8. Root 3 is 1.7 already you know. So you will get 13.6 meter. Therefore the height of the tower AB is 6.8, RQ is 11.8 and length AP is equal to 13.6 meter. This is how you need to be able to solve all the 38 questions, and even I have solved all the OR questions. So total 100 marks paper it will be. In that 80 marks you should attend thoroughly. Okay. So if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. And if any kind of suggestions or feedback, kindly put it in the comment box below so that I can get to your queries, and any kind of improvement, kindly let me know. And if you want to uplift your studies by having more involvement in the studies, solving last 5 question papers, scoring package, passing package, kindly message or call to the given number on the screen, 8123426450. Our team is glad to deliver the books in 2 or 3 working days, and it will be at your doorstep. Okay. So thank you so much. Yes, kindly like, share and subscribe. Keep learning and keep growing. Meet you soon in the next video. Thank you and take care. Bye.